Hey everyone, Rob Doherty from thevestguy.com coming to you with a brand new safety vest designed for the Metro firefighters out there. We've had other fire photography vests out there for years, and kind of some of the feedback is they wanted a little larger pocket, but not to the extent of like our regular like a wildlife photography vest. So these pockets you can see are a fair amount narrower. I think about 1.5 inches, 2 inches narrower than our other lenses or pockets. So you wouldn't be able to get a 70 to 200, 100 to 400 in there. But the feedback we got is they've got that lens on there, and these pockets would be for you know, their notebooks, their flashlights, a teleconverter, cleaning cloths and stuff, different things like that. So these pockets just didn't need to be that big. The slip pockets was a huge request for putting notebooks and different things like that in there. Got the pin here. And then something that maybe wanted to be a little more secure, maybe to put batteries and stuff in. So we did 2 of those. We got the new reflective that we've recently been coming out with, heavy duty YKK zippers, the 2 D-rings. Comes with 1 camera strap. You can buy a second one if you want, but these are detachable, so you just pop it off like that, which is really nice. Comes with comes complete like this. Comes with the buckle and comes with the screw for the bottom of the camera. So let me kind of show you the sides. Again, just like all our vests, they're adjustable. You get about 8 inches of adjustment on each side. So this is a large. I'm about 2 1/4, 5'7", fits me just perfect. I could throw a coat on, expand it out a little bit. So the name tags are on Velcro, so if you wanted your department name or you know, anything like that, you know, chief or captain, whatever you wanted on that name tag, we can do all that. So just when you're ordering, just put that in comments, and we can fix you up with that. This particular one is mesh. I highly recommend that mesh. I love it. It's cool. There's so many agencies that you know, out in the hot sun, and you got the hot fire and stuff. Even though you're gonna have turnouts on, this is a great option. But you can go for the solid material if you want. And everything we do is lifetime warranty. We've been manufacturing vests since 1990, so an awful long time. Hundreds of thousands of satisfied customers throughout the world. We ship worldwide every single day, and like I say, everything is made in the USA. It's made right here in North Salt Lake, Utah. So if you want some custom gear done, give us a call, thevestguy.com. Custom orders, call Stephanie, 801-725-0076. Thank you.